everyone, welcome back to our channel Mystic Art. In today's video, I will show you how to make earrings using real dragonfly wings. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all you will have to find a dead dragonfly and remove their wings. Then coat all the 4 wings with resin. Here I am using epoxy resin. You can also use UV resin. Let it dry completely for overnight and then coat the other side with resin too. After that it has dried completely, we will drill holes using hand drill. Please make sure to keep a paper towel beneath it to avoid any scratches. Then we will attach all the earring findings to complete our earring. So first of all take an eye pin and a small crystal bead matching to the wings. Insert it in the eye pin and make a loop on the other side. Now attach one wing in the other loop and our first hanging is ready. Now we will make the second hanging using the same process, but we will add an extra bead to it. We are adding this extra bead to it to make it a little longer than the first hanging. Then we will need a small jump ring and an earring stud and attach all the hangings using this jump ring. Very beautiful fairycore inspired dragonfly wings earring is ready. Do let me know in the comment section if you like this earring. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos and also press that bell icon for latest updates from my channel. You can also help me by liking this video and sharing it with your friends, family and loved ones. We'll meet in next video with a new idea. Till then, take care, bye bye and love you.